Northern Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal is a vast and ancient freshwater lake located in Siberia, Russia. It is often referred to as the Pearl of Siberia and is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake in the world. Lake Baikal is situated in southern Siberia, near the border with Mongolia, and it stretches for approximately 395 miles, 636 kilometers, in length. When you mention Northern Lake Baikal, you may be referring to the northern part of the lake or specific areas along its northern shoreline. The lake is known for its stunning natural beauty, crystal clear waters, and unique biodiversity, including many species found nowhere else on Earth. Some notable features and facts about Lake Baikal include: Number 1. Stunning natural beauty. Northern Lake Baikal, like the entire lake, is known for its breathtaking natural beauty. The pristine waters, rugged landscapes, and picturesque surroundings make it a popular destination for travelers and nature enthusiasts. The region offers stunning vistas and a serene environment that captivates visitors. Number 2. Unique ecosystem. Lake Baikal is renowned for its unique and diverse ecosystem, with many species found nowhere else on Earth. In the northern part of the lake, you can encounter some of these unique species, including the Baikal seal, Nerpa, and various types of endemic fish. The lake's ecosystem is a subject of scientific research and ecological interest. Number 3. Cultural significance. Lake Baikal holds cultural significance, particularly for the indigenous Buryat people who live in the region. The Buryat culture and traditions are intertwined with the lake, and visitors can experience and learn about their way of life and heritage. Number 4. Outdoor activities. The northern region of Lake Baikal offers a range of outdoor activities, including hiking, trekking, and wildlife watching. During the winter months, the lake freezes, allowing for activities like ice skating, ice fishing, and dog sledding. The ice formations and clear ice of Lake Baikal in winter are especially famous. Number 5. Scientific interest. Lake Baikal is of great scientific interest due to its unique geological features and biodiversity. Researchers from around the world study the lake's geology, hydrology, and biology to better understand its origins and the evolution of life in extreme environments. Number 6. UNESCO World Heritage status. Lake Baikal, including its northern region, is designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This recognition highlights the lake's global importance and the need for its protection and conservation. Number 7. Adventure tourism. Northern Lake Baikal is a destination for adventure tourism, attracting travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience. It offers opportunities for boating, camping, and exploring remote and pristine wilderness areas. Number 8. Photographic opportunities. The northern region of Lake Baikal provides exceptional photographic opportunities, with its changing landscapes, wildlife, and unique ice formations in winter. Number 9. Depth. Lake Baikal reaches a maximum depth of about 5,387 feet, making it the deepest freshwater lake on the planet. Number 10. Age. It is estimated to be around 25 million years old, making it one of the most ancient lakes on Earth. Number 11. Water quality. The lake's water is exceptionally clear and clean, thanks to its remote location and the fact that it is fed by more than 330 rivers and streams, with the Angara River being its only outlet. Number 12. Biodiversity. Lake Baikal is home to a wide range of unique species, including the Baikal seal, Nerpa, which is the only freshwater seal species in the world. It also hosts a diverse array of fish, including the Baikal mule. Number 13. Natural phenomena. In winter, the surface of the lake freezes, and it becomes a stunning ice-covered landscape, often called the Baikal ice. This ice is famous for its clarity and the various shapes and forms it takes. Number 14. Tourism. The lake is a popular destination for tourists interested in its natural beauty, outdoor activities such as hiking and boating, and its cultural significance to the indigenous Buryat people. Number 15. Conservation. Lake Baikal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is also considered one of the world's most important freshwater ecosystems. Conservation efforts are in place to protect its unique environment. While there is no specific northern Lake Baikal as a distinct entity within the lake itself, the entire lake is a magnificent natural wonder with breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and cultural significance. In summary, the northern region of Lake Baikal is famous for its natural beauty, unique ecosystem, cultural significance, and outdoor activities. It is a destination that appeals to a wide range of interests, from nature lovers and scientists to adventure seekers and cultural enthusiasts.